guys, Cass Nelson-Dooley here, author of Heal Your Oral Microbiome and integrative and functional medicine consultant, talking with you today about a strong, healthy, smart brain. This is something we all want as we age, and that's because many of us have seen as our grandparents aged or as the people around us have aged, that our cognitive function goes down as we age. Well, why does this happen? What scientists believe, are pretty sure, is a major driving force of this is something called oxidative stress. And that's when free radicals, which are unstable, damaging oxygen molecules, damage the brain and the nervous system. And they kill cells, and they kill or damage mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of our cells. So this is a hypothesis that has many studies to back it up. There's lots of literature to back it up. It turns out that of the oxygen that we consume every day, 20% of it goes to the brain. So the brain is very metabolically active. It makes a lot of energy, and as a byproduct, it makes a lot of these free radicals, which are very damaging to the brain. The brain is very vulnerable to these unstable oxygen molecules. So oxidative stress is understood to be a major problem in a lot of conditions, in not just aging and growing old or problems with the brain and nervous system, but also the heart, the lungs, metabolism and blood sugar, and the kidneys. So it is believed to be an underlying force that can contribute to illness in humans. So there are answers though. Even though I kind of see oxygen as a nature of the beast, this is part of being a human, part of being a living being on Earth, there are things we can do to protect ourselves from too much free radicals. Enter the major brain antioxidant glutathione. So that's a nutrient we're going to be talking about today. I think it's a very powerful brain antioxidant, very important for the brain to stay healthy. Now, glutathione does a lot more than help the brain. It is the body's major antioxidant called the master antioxidant. It is a phase 1 and phase 2 detox molecule. That means it's critical for liver detoxification, getting rid of toxins. And it's so important for getting rid of free radicals. It helps to turn bad free radicals into harmless chemicals or molecules that can be excreted from the body. And so it's super important. In fact, our bodies naturally make it, and it's really high in our cells, in our healthy cells, as a way to protect us from oxidative stress. Because like I said, this is a daily wear and tear on our cells. Now, also glutathione boosts mitochondria. Remember, we were talking about mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, and they consume a lot of oxygen, but they also make a lot of free radicals. And glutathione helps to boost mitochondria and keep them healthy, which immediately translates into a healthier brain and brain cells, and it also protects mitochondrial DNA. So really, if you want a healthy nervous system that is protected against brain and nervous system problems like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, Huntington's, ALS, then you want to try to shift the balance of oxidative stress and boost your levels of glutathione. I can give you some tips on how to better balance this. Now, my blog will tell you a lot more. Build a strong, smart, and lasting brain with glutathione. That's my January 2024 blog. But there are foods you can eat, there are supplements you can take. There's even IV glutathione available with integrative and functional medicine practitioners. You can avoid toxins and do testing and take antioxidants. So let me just go through these one at a time to explain a little bit more. There are foods that can help build glutathione, right? Glutathione is a tripeptide. It's just basically a small protein, and it comes from proteins you eat. So when you eat things like pork or chicken or soybean or dairy, you are giving your body the building blocks to make glutathione. Now, also foods that have sulfur in them help to build glutathione. Things like broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, collard greens, eggs, garlic, and onion. So these are foods that can help also build glutathione. Now, supplements are also a great option if you have low glutathione, or if you have too much oxidative stress, or if you just want to make your brain healthier, improve your cognitive function, improve your memory, your word recall, your mood, then you can take supplements. So the thing is about supplements is that historically glutathione supplements were thought to have problems with bioavailability. There are many accounts of giving glutathione and not being able to raise blood levels. So that has been an issue. Now there are plenty of glutathione supplements on the market. A lot of clinicians give the precursors, right? Something like N-acetylcysteine, which is the amino acid precursor to try to help the body make its own glutathione. But I want to tell you about a really exciting new product from our sponsor, Da Vinci Laboratories. They have a glutathione product called Glutathione with Prevail. It is 2.5 times more absorbed than other leading glutathione products on the market. It is whey encapsulated glutathione, which means it is just basically whey and glutathione. They developed it with a food chemist in a Vermont university and their R&D department. They have a published study showing that this is a highly absorbed form of glutathione. It increases antioxidant activity. It increases blood and tissue levels of glutathione. So this is a very exciting new product on the market. Please check it out, clinicians and consumers, if you want to raise glutathione levels. In fact, you don't even need as much of this product because it is so absorbable. And thank you, Da Vinci Laboratories, for sponsoring this month. This company, I've worked with this company many years. They are a client, they are friends and colleagues. I have been recommending their products for over 15 years, and they have a great reputation in the integrative and functional medicine field for high quality supplements that are innovatively designed. Now, we talked about foods for glutathione, we talked about supplements for glutathione. You can also help to build up your glutathione levels when you avoid toxins. So glutathione is busy dealing with toxins in your body and dealing with oxidative stress. So helping to lower your toxins and your oxidative stress will help you build glutathione up. So things, avoiding herbicides, avoiding pesticides, eating your clean 15 organic foods, avoiding alcohol, avoiding mercury, thinking about your amalgams or how much tuna fish you're eating every week, avoiding charred food. So these are ways to keep the toxins down so that glutathione doesn't have as much work to do. And I do recommend testing. Test for your glutathione blood level, test for oxidative stress. Of course, you can get more details about these tests in my blog. I also think testing your genetics are very important because really not everybody gets the same kind of hand of cards when it comes to glutathione and detoxification. Because if your glutathione enzymes are mutated, then you can be more susceptible to toxins and oxidative stress. If you don't have a fully functioning glutathione antioxidant and detox system, then you are going to be more vulnerable to conditions of oxidative stress and toxicity. And this is shown in the literature. There is a lot out there. There are tests. You can do like a cheek swab test. You can also take antioxidants. Of course, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, colorful fruits and vegetables are great antioxidants. Also things like selenium, lipoic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E. These will help glutathione do its job and kind of work as a team to fight oxidative stress in the body. So testing, supplements, food, avoiding toxins, these are important things to do, all in the name of building up your brain health and keeping your brain and nervous system healthy and strong, performing at its best. Even when you're 90 years old, be quicker than those youngins. And this will be great for your brain, but also glutathione does amazing things for the rest of the body too, which we didn't touch on today. But check it out, it's out there. Glutathione is quite an amazing nutrient for health and for brain health. So check out my book, Heal Your Oral Microbiome. Please sign up for my e-newsletter. I put out a blog every month, and it also includes discounts on oral microbiome products and functional medicine products. And please hit like and subscribe so that you can find out about the next video on these topics of the oral microbiome and integrative and functional medicine. Thanks so much.